Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your village YouTuber Merit. If you're new here, hi, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're not new, thank you for staying glued to this channel. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me. We're going to the market. So yeah, today is market day. Okay, it's not really market day, but yeah, we're going to the market to restock on some vegetables, and I decided to take you guys along with me because this will be obviously my first time going to the market, and I've been told it's like 5 kilometers away from here. So how are we going to get there? We're going to have to get on a motorbike. Yo guys, this will be my first time riding on a motorbike, and I'm so scared. I'm super excited, scared. Okay, mixed emotions, but yeah, we're going to see how that goes. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you at the market. Before heading out, I decided to roast myself some maize. I was craving maize and I just had to do it real quick, and I loved how it turned out. Guys, this maize is so sweet. It is really sweet. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. We're starting off with some roasted maize. I roasted this maize myself from scratch. I'm a pro. I'm becoming So this side of the market is called Salaola. This is where they sell clothes. So it's for kids, girls, boys. Yeah. So very affordable, very nice, and the quality is just good. I loved it. And over here is where they sell the food stuff. I don't know what they call this side of the market, but yeah, this is where everyone is selling vegetables, as you can see. And you know, the funny part is everyone, literally everyone, is selling the same thing, and it all looks good, which makes it hard for you as a customer to pick because everything looks so good. Like, for real, are you serious? I fell in love with these melons, especially this specific one. Yo, I was looking at it like, baby, it's just that I'm off budget. Otherwise, I was going to come for you. I was like, I'm coming for you. I looked at it again. I was like, oh my goodness. Baby, I'll come for it. So auntie stepped out to get some change for us, and yeah, we got most of our vegetables from her stand, and she gave us some basela, which is more like just a treat. Yeah, so it was really good. She was so welcoming and really nice. Guys, is it just me or village chickens are overrated somehow? Because, I mean, why should a chicken be so hard? Why should the chicken have no steak? I mean, we all want steak, but why is your steak and oil bones so hard? I don't know why. I just feel village chicken is overrated. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Okay. I'm super excited because this place is so beautiful. I love it. I love everything about it. I don't know if you can get me because there's so much noise, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I've done justice. I've shown you guys around. So yeah, right now we're going on a motorbike. I'm so scared, but yeah, there's always a first time for everything. We're so tired, but yeah, see you. Scared. I literally held this man in his skin. Yeah, but yeah, I played cool. Composure, composure. This is so scary. I'm so scared. I don't know. I thought I know. See you guys. Let me hold because I'm so scared. I might end up dropping my what? See you when we get I don't know, but see you when we get home because yeah, I'm scared. I might end up dropping my phone. Bye. Bye. Nagwira. Kaya nga tumambira ku baba. Nakunya ndani. Na awe. Nakala. Awe. Zakajaira kudaiviza.
Vakahikirisa vanojatiri apa.
We got home safe, and these are the vegetables that we got. Yeah, we're so heavy on vegetables, and these vegetables are enough to sustain us for a week and a half, sometimes even 2 weeks. Yeah, so we have our green beans, green pepper, eggplants, impua, sweet potato leaves, carrots, and everything. We're really heavy on vegetables, and I hope you join us. Hi Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back home and I just freshened up a little, and yeah, well, that was it we had for you in today's video. As you saw, I was riding on a bike. Oh my god, I was so scared. But honestly, guys, it was nothing I expected. I was so scared. What if we fall? I don't know, but yeah, it was nothing I expected. It was so nice. It was such an awesome experience. I guess I'm getting a photo of it and I'm going to be doing it more often. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.